Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I really want to talk about the top stocks under $20 that could easily double in 2021. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you get anything value, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course, and you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off. So at least check it out. Roll the intro. Let's go. Bam. Alrighty guys, so the very first stock here that I want to go ahead and talk about is ticker symbol VFF, Village Farms. You guys can see it does have some resistance here at $7, broke above it all the way to $11, and then more resistance here at $15. You guys can see it used that old resistance as some new support, so I do think there's a move from $12 to $15. Not to mention this stock definitely does carry a lot of long and short-term potential. Now, Village Farms really does a variety of things. They sell a whole bunch of vegetables. They are in the farming sector here, and the company is growing at a very, very fast rate. Look at the performance here. Lows here at $2, broke above that 200 moving average line, and then literally rallied all the way up to 15 before we did get a little bit of sell-off here. This stock is pretty heavily traded in the millions, but I definitely think it does carry a lot of long-term potential here. The stock has gained 133% over the past 12 months, and I do think it's going to continue in 2021. So I definitely think there's a lot of potential with this one here. Stock number 2 is TDS. Now, TDS is another company that, in my opinion, is a good, solid company. I understand the charts look a little weird. Does have some resistance here at 25, some more support here at 14, and really is kind of on a downward trend in the short term. I do think for a stock under 20 bucks, this stock could easily go back up to at least 25. I definitely think there's a lot of potential with telephone and data. And this is what this company really focuses on here. The next stock here under $20 is ticker symbol EPD. Now, looking at this stock here, this is one of the ones that I personally love because you get a solid dividend from it. Not to mention, it broke above this 200 moving average line. This 200 moving average line has a tendency to act as support or resistance, and it's a overall momentum indicator. So you can pretty much look at the stock and instantly know the direction that it was going. And when the stock is below it, like it was in here, it has a tendency to act as some overall resistance. So it comes in contact, sell off, and then boom, we did get a little resistant breakout, and then it tapped it. So now it's using it as support. So with it coming in contact with it at 20, I definitely think there's a lot of short-term potential for it to go back up to at least 21 and then 23. I personally think the stock will probably come back up to about 27 in 2021. Definitely one to keep an eye on. You get paid a solid dividend here of around 45 cents, and you can't go wrong with that one. Now, stock number 4 here is RKT, Rocket Companies. Now, me personally, I definitely think that you could pick up this stock here under 20. You guys can see it has a tendency to trade in between 19 and 24. So really what you could do is just wait for the sell-off here, set an alert right at 20, and then once the stock goes and hits it, you guys will be notified here. Now, Rocket Companies is a loan company. They have a variety of other companies in it, but I really think that we're getting more and more dependent on a lot of these loans and stuff like that. The reason why is because, you know, the whole housing market, which Rocket Companies offers loans for, has done very well over the past couple of months. And I think that Rocket Companies is going to have a nice couple of earnings coming up here. Now, the last and final stock here that I want to go ahead and talk about is ticker symbol LPL. Now, this is a display company. So this company will work with TVs, phones, computers. They really make displays for TVs, monitors, and phones. So you guys can see that over the past 12 months, we've had a low here at $3, highs here at 10. All these companies have pretty solid revenue, and they have a very lower debt compared to other companies in their sector here. So this one here is definitely one to at least keep an eye on. It's pretty, heavily traded. You guys can see it's traded in the millions. So I definitely think there's a lot of potential here with this one. And with the stock selling off 5.5% today, I definitely think we'll probably use this 90 moving average line as some overall support. So I do think a lot of potential with all of these. Make sure you guys understand that yes, these stocks that are under 20 bucks still have risk. You know, these stocks that I talked about have a little more risk than companies like Amazon, Apple, Microsoft. You know, these are smaller companies that are starting to build up market share in their sector here. So in my personal opinion, have a base of ETFs, blue chip stocks, even bonds to almost act as your defense in your portfolio. And then what you can do is dabble into some riskier stocks under 20. All of these here have very, very high upside. And some of them have, you know, some risk involved, and you guys have to understand that. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my course, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care. Bye.